Okay, class, this is number 40. Again, this one looks pretty difficult, and it's probably tougher than some of them, but I'll give you a hint to try. Get a common denominator and combine the top and see what happens. Okay, so hopefully you can pause video and give it a whirl. Alright, so we'll go through this here. If I multiply this side by the denominator over here, cosine of x plus cosine of y, and multiply this other side by this denominator, sine of x, sine of y. Okay, you're going to have to FOIL. So if you notice here, I have cosine of x plus cosine of y, cosine of x minus cosine of y. So they're the exact same, except one is a positive sign, one is a negative sign. So when that happens, the middle term cancels out, and I'm going to be left with cosine squared of x minus cosine squared of y. Okay, same thing on the other side. Sine of x minus sine of y, sine of x plus sine of y. So on the other side, I get sine squared minus sine squared. So sine squared of x minus sine squared of y. Alright, well now, I'm not even going to rewrite the bottom yet, but I see that I have cosine squared plus sine squared, so these two are going to combine to make 1. Okay, I also have negative cosine squared minus sine squared, and these two have the same angle. Okay, and let's just write this, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. If I multiply everything in this by negative 1, I get negative sine squared x minus cosine squared x equals negative 1. So if this is true, this would also be true because I multiplied every single term by the same thing, in this case a negative 1. So these two combine to make negative 1. So on top I have 0. On the bottom I'm going to have what? Sine of x plus sine of y times cosine of x plus cosine of y. But it doesn't matter, because if the top is 0, 0 divided by anything is 0, and that's what we were trying to show.